Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your navigation drawer checkable, means the items which we have created previously. Now we wanted to make them checkable, that is, whenever we click on any menu item it should be checked. This is the second part of the previous video in which I have explained you how to create a navigation drawer in empty activity. So if you haven't watched that video, then I recommend you to go back and watch that video first so that you can get a basic idea of creating a navigation drawer. And don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you never miss any update regarding new tutorials. So let's get into it. So the very first thing you have to do is declare a variable named as checked menu list, and the data type for this variable is will be menu items, and it can be null. That's why we have used question mark there. Now here you see in the set navigation item select listener, here we are going to create a condition which check if the function which we have called there open dashboard is already checked or not, and if it is already checked then we are going to make is checkable function false. Now to make other item checkable we are going to create it dot is checkable true and it dot is checked true, and we are going to assign check menu item to it. After that what we have to do is I have created the open dashboard, and since our application going to have multiple fragments, that's why I have created a function which is open dashboard, and in that function we are going to make the navigation view dot set check item, and there we are going to pass the ID of which item you want to make check at the beginning of the app, means the point where you open your app and you wanted that item to be selected at first. So we are going to use the dashboard here. Now in the XML file we are going to create a tag which is of group, and in that tag we are going to add the checkable behavior, and in that checkable behavior we are going to add single because we don't want all the item to be checked. After this we will close the group tag below the items which we have created. So don't forget to like, share, and more importantly subscribe to get more videos like this, more tutorials like this. And the video's third part will consist of how to create fragments of your navigation drawer whenever you click on dashboard or on profile, so you will be redirected to the different screen as I'm doing in this application right now. You can see in the output section there are different fragments opening. So don't forget to subscribe and hit like.